Good morning, students of class 9. I welcome you all to this new class of Social Science 2, where we are now completing chapter number 1 of Economics, Story of Village Palampur. In the previous classes, children, we have seen how factors of production are important, then how can we raise production level, and now we will see non-farming activity. In the non-farming activities, we have discussed in the life classes also something which is opposite to agriculture, like dairy farming, then small scale manufacturing, then shopkeeping, etc. is non-farming activities. Let us see dairy farming number 1. Out of non-farming activities, dairy farming is common activity. The milk and other dairy products can be sold at neighboring cities and towns at good profit. This is the main occupation of people in rainy season in Palampur. Now, let us relate it with today's time. We all see milk vendors who come to deliver us the milk. Obviously, they just do not come to our house. They keep on going to different houses to get profit. Similarly, people of Palampur used to do this activity majorly in rainy season, because in rainy season you don't go to farms. So this will help them gain some profit. So it is a non-farming activity. The milk and dairy products can be sold in neighboring cities and towns to get good profit. And number third, it is the main occupation of people during rainy season. Now let us see small scale manufacturing. At present, less than 50 families are engaged in manufacturing. In Palampur, manufacturing involves very simple production methods, which is done on a very smaller scale. And these are done with the help of family members. It can be related to jute bags or baskets, jute baskets, pots, etc. So, small scale manufacturing, less than 50 families are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Manufacturing involves very simple production method, no hi-fi techniques. So, very simple production methods. Number third, this production method is carried on with the help of family members. And the last is shopkeeping, children. All right. The third is shopkeeping. People involved in trade are not many in Palampur, because majorly people are engaged in agriculture. So some people are involved in business or trade. Traders of Palampur, children, are shopkeepers. We can see the small general stores which sell a whole range of daily products such as wheat, sugar, tea, oil, etc., toothpaste, soap, batteries, pencils, even some cloth materials. Whatever comes to your mind for daily merchant shops which is being run near our locality, you can note down those items. So people in Palampur are not many who are involved in shopkeeping. Number 2, the traders of Palampur are shopkeepers. Number 3, we can see a whole range of general items like sugar, tea, oil, soap, toothpaste, etc. Right? And the last type of non-farming activity is, children, transport and fast developing sector. Number 1, there is a variety of vehicle. There are a variety of vehicles in Palampur, which are ranging from big vehicles, traditional vehicles, to modern vehicles also. Because we know Palampur is an advanced village, a developed village. Therefore, modern vehicles are also in Palampur. There are rickshaws, tongas, jeeps, tractors, bullock carts, etc. The ferry people carry goods to one place to another. Number 4, ferry who keep on moving from one point to other point. Number 4, the number of people involved in the transport section have grown over last several years. So all the 4 points are clear. Variety of vehicles are ranging from in Palampur: rickshaw, tongas, jeep, tractors, etc. Ferry people carry goods from one place to other. And the last, the number of people involved in transportation sector have grown recently in several years. That's all for this chapter, children. With this, we complete chapter number 1 of economics. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Wherein in the next class, I'm going to send you the complete questions and answers of this chapter. Till then, please study and get back in the live class. We will discuss the chapter again. Thank you so much, children, and have a nice day.